If you're a male CEO, 45 or over, running a multi-million pound business, you probably have dashboards for everything: sales, cash, pipeline, team performance. But for your own body, you're flying blind. You feel a bit heavier. You feel more tired in the afternoons. Sleep is a bit hit and miss. Sometimes you have a good sleep, sometimes you have a really bad sleep, and you can't work out why. But there's no clear number, no board level view. And that blind spot is quietly killing your energy, your decision making, and the timeline on your exit. You never sit in a board meeting and say, look, I don't have the P&L, but I think we're profitable. That would be absolutely insane. And you probably get laughed out of the room, as I'm sure you're aware. That's exactly how many 45 plus CEOs are running their health. It's a gut feeling. It's more about how I feel, the mirror, these reactionary little notches on the belt, things getting a little bit worse. Maybe the bathroom scales, if it's a good week, something that you're tracking, just the weight as a weekly thing. But generally speaking, it might have been okay in your 30s to do that, just to listen and feel how you feel. But at 45, 50, 55, and 60, it's a totally different game. The margin for error is absolutely tiny. Your diary is wall to wall. It's back to back with Zooms, flights, hotels, client dinners. You grab what you can when you can, and the gym is for when things quieten down, which they never really do. Things just get busier and busier, and there's holidays and there's kids' weddings and kids' birthdays, all different types of stuff. So the weight just creeps up, the blood pressure keeps creeping up as well, and you start needing caffeine just to get you going. And then alcohol is the tool that you use to switch off and reduce stress, but actually makes things worse. Afternoon energy goes from an 8 out of 10 to a 5 and then a 4, but you just keep working through it. And here's the problem: you're used to operating at 120% all of the time. So when you're at 70%, you tell yourself, I'm fine, I'm just really busy. You start to normalize the way that you feel until something external forces the issue. There's many different ways this can kind of take form in your life. It might be a bad blood test. It might be a scare with a friend that's a very similar age to you, or a family member quietly saying to you, I'm worried about you. I'm worried about your weight. I'm worried about how you look. I'm worried about how you sound. From working with hundreds of CEOs just like you, there's one pattern that's the same every single time. The moment you stop guessing and see your health on a scoreboard, everything changes. When you see exactly how your sleep stacks up right now, how your habits either support you or sabotage you, whether your exercise is actually enough for your life, whether you're actually exercising regularly enough, how your food and your steps are impacting your weight, your energy, and most importantly, your longevity, suddenly it's not emotional anymore. It's just data. It's real life data, data similar to what you use at work. Then you can make decisions. You can tweak and change and refine what you're doing. But most CEOs never get to that level of clarity. They either ignore it and hope, or they overreact, hire a PT, buy a ton of supplements, go all in for 3 weeks, and then just fall off a cliff as normal. What you actually need is the same thing you demand in your business: a clear, honest, simple scorecard. That's why the CEO Health Performance Diagnostic exists. I created it for this exact reason. It's a private 2-minute assessment built specifically for CEOs and founders 45 and above. There's no wearables, no watches, no rings, there's no blood test, just straight boardroom ready clarity. You answer a set of targeted questions around 5 key areas. You have sleep, which is the core pillar. You have habits, which is the daily actions you take, whether good or bad. Exercise, so around going to the gym or whatever it is you do specifically. Your food or nutrition, and also your steps. So these 5 core pillars are what this assessment is going to look at. Once you've done that, what you get an overall CEO health score. This is the overarching score that you get. And then you get sub scores in each area. So you can see where you're strong and where you're exposed. And then 1 to 2 levers that will move the needle fastest over the next 90 days. Rather than just guessing, you find out exactly what to focus on. This is the exact lens used with clients who drop 10, 20, even 40 kilos, who've reported 40% more energy within the first month, all while still running 7, 8, and 9-figure businesses. And it all starts with one thing: getting your score, getting that clarity. One CEO in his late 40s came in thinking he just needed to lose a stone or two. His scorecard showed his real issue was sleep and evening habits. Once we fixed those, weight, energy, focus all followed. Another founder had convinced himself they didn't have the time to move more. The diagnostic made it obvious that his day was full of 3 to 5 minute gaps between calls. We turned this into micro walks, little actions that made a huge difference. Within weeks, his afternoon crashes disappeared. The common theme is this: once you see the data, you cannot unsee it. It creates a clear pathway, a clear vision of what you need to do next. And for someone at your level, that's usually all it takes. If any of this hits a nerve, if you know your business is flying, but your health is running on, I'll sort it out tomorrow, I'll sort it out soon, I'll sort it out when things calm down, which they never do, take 2 minutes and get your score. Hit the link in the description or the pinned comment that says start here with your CEO diagnostic or get your CEO health score now. It's simple. It takes 2 to 3 minutes and you'll answer the questions, and your personalized health report will be sent to you directly. It's private. It's specific to leaders like you, and it will show you exactly what to focus on next rather than guessing and running these crazy kind of gym 2 weeks and falling off a cliff before. So before you hire another personal trainer, before you download another fitness app, before you get on another hack or a quick fix diet or a Herbalife, whatever it means, get the data, get your CEO health score sorted now. And the link is below in the bio, description, and in the comments. I'll see you on the other side.